This is Josh from Wohler Equipment. Today we're taking a look at a New Holland T1510. This model was made from 2008 through 2013 by Shibara for New Holland. It has a Shibara 3-cylinder diesel engine producing 30 horsepower, 4-wheel drive. This one has industrial tires and a mechanical transmission. Hydrostatic transmissions were available with some of these models, as well as an aftermarket Quaker 160 front end loader, quick attach loader with a built-in joystick. Here at the operator platform, we can see on the left hand side of the seat we have 3-range transmission as well as a PTO engagement. On the right hand side of the seat we have our 3-point position control. At the dash, the orange lever there is our engine throttle, and over here on the left we have our 3-speed with reverse.